So, for some of you guys who are wondering how much time extra is it to set up electric truck mount, on this particular job here, it's early in the morning, so first of all, I don't want a lot of noise. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and we're going to, there's only two rooms, one there and one there, so it's kind of a small job for a lot of setup, but basically everything I've done so far I would have had to do if I have my gas truck mount here too. Running the airline in here, the hose. I hooked up to the sink on this job because it's only two rooms and they're not bad, so I'm going to use the Mighty just with the water pressure from the sink, so I don't even have to use my water from the truck mount. I do that sometimes on certain jobs if they're not too bad. It's just because it's one less thing to set up, one less cord. But everything I've hooked up so far, I would have had to hook up and do already. So the only thing difference in time would be to hook up 3 electric power cords. So I'm going to do that next and just time how long that takes to set up. I'm going to use 3 power cords because with the Mighty Vortex, I like to use the Mighty vacuums down here, and then I have 2 extra vacuums up here. Normally I just use one of those vacuums going, so I always try to use 3 vacuums. It does such a better job in dry times, and I just love the extra power because I use a lot of high flow tools. So I'm gonna see how long it takes to hook up these 3 cords here. Okay guys, so I timed it, and this is actually with 3 cords because I'm running 3 cords. I ran one to the laundry, one to the first plug right by the sink, and then one to the kitchen, and it was 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So 2 minutes and 50 seconds, and I have to deal with a whole lot less of grease, smog, big noise, and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, I have 2 gas truck mounts actually, one for a trailer and one for in my other big van, master blind. But it took me 2 minutes and 50 seconds. All the other stuff that I did was stuff I would have had to do anyway. Plug the one in the laundry room. I always carry a big nice cable in my van in case I have a long run. This is kind of unusual that the laundry room was way over there. And I got one in the kitchen and one right here. I might change that to this right here, but anyway, so 2.5 minutes. By running this electric truck mount, I'll save at least $5,000 in just gas and diesel costs, and besides all the headache that I have of maintaining the dumb thing with oil changes and all that kind of stuff. I do like my gas truck mount for certain things, but for 95% of the jobs I prefer this actually. So that's it.